All right, friends, so here's the giveaway. Ooh. As you can see, I've got this randomizer here, and I've got all of the names. I went through all of the days and put everyone's name in who commented. And as you can see, Sean commented the most, so thank you, Sean, for always being supportive. And so I randomized it, and I didn't realize that it puts it in like a number order. So number 1 is Sean, so I figured it would be. So thank you again, Sean, for always being so supportive of me. It really means a lot to me. And so I will be sending you some really cool spooky goodies. So keep on the lookout for that. And yeah, congratulations and have a great day. Thanks for watching.